Okay, last video. This has 4 slides on it, so it might be a little lengthy. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, you have 2 times on the test where you have to graph an inequality. This is really a no-brainer as long as you understand it's the same thing as slope-intercept, what they're giving you, or you get it into slope-intercept. But the shading is half of the plane. And as long as it's in slope-intercept form, y is isolated, this symbol tells you everything you need to know. This is less than, this is less than or equal to. That means the shading is below the line. It doesn't matter, how steep or anything the line is. The shading less than means below the line, whatever the line is. So less than or equal to 3x plus 1, less than or equal to, less than or equal to, below this line, 3x plus 1. So that one would be A. Conversely, greater than or greater than or equal to is always above the line. So let's see here. Greater than 2x plus 2, greater than, oh, by the way, forgot to mention, if it has the equal sign, that means it's solid. If it doesn't have the equal sign, that means it's dotted. So greater than 2x plus 2 must be this one. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Now you're going to have to also model an inequality situation with an equation and then graph and or solve it. So here's a big discussion about all the stuff that you need to be able to model, read all through the words. But one of the things that's going to help you the most is having no more than, understand what inequality symbol no more than is less than or equal to. And if it says something like at least, that means greater than or equal to. Okay, and then you can see the choice there, only one that has the correct symbol would be letter B. All right, 2 more slides. You're going to have to, why did my computer hang up there? You're going to have to graph a system of inequalities twice. So again, get it into slope-intercept form so it's easy to graph that. One of these is 3x minus 4, and the symbol is less than. So it's a dotted line, and the shading for the green is out here. So see all the shading of the green is less than the line. Let's do the other one in blue. So less than or equal to x plus 4. So x has a slope of 1, and it's less than or equal to, so it's a solid line, something like that. And the shading for the blue is, again, less than. Where is the intersection? The intersection of the green and the blue is something like that. Okay, so you're going to have to pick off one of those on the test. And it's going to look something like this, hopefully. Write the system of inequalities. This is kind of opposite on the review. Write the system of inequalities for this. Well, let's see. This is the y-intercept, and it looks like the shading is above. I'm getting emails right now. It looks like y is greater than or equal to, what's the slope? Looks like the slope is -2. And then we already said the y-intercept is plus 5. And then what about the other one? Looks like the y-intercept is -2. And it looks like the shading for the red line is less than, and it's a dotted line. And the slope looks like to be +2. So 2x minus 2. And then once you figure that out from the graph, you choose whatever the correct answer is for the review. All right, that's it for the review videos.